Hi everyone, here are our tasks for the week of the 8th of February. So you need to finish your maths booklet, which is the last two sections, and complete the next 5 workouts in your English booklet. Keep practicing your times tables and your spellings. Let's take a look at rounding. So here I'm going to round these numbers to the nearest 100. I need to look at the place value before, which is the tens. So in 239, I have a 3 in the tens place value. That 3 tells me I need to round down to 200. In 571, the 7 in the tens place value tells me I need to round up to 600. I can use a number line to help me. If a number falls exactly halfway between two values, I need to round up. This time I'm going to round to the nearest 1000, so I need to look at the hundreds place value. In 4167, the 1 in the hundreds place value tells me I need to round down to 4000. In 3801, the 8 in the hundreds place value tells me I need to round up to 4000. And again, you can use a number line to help you solve. Have a look at these numbers and think about what they would be if you were rounding them to the nearest 100. Remember, you need to look at the tens place value. So they would round to 600 and 3900. This time, think about what these numbers would be if you were rounding to the nearest 1000. So here I'm going to look at the hundreds place value to work out whether I'm going to round up or down. These numbers would round to 7,000, 1,000 and 4,000. I can use rounding to help me when I'm solving problems to give me an estimated answer. So here I'm rounding to 600 plus 300. So now my answer is going to be approximately 900. And then I can use column addition to solve. I can do the same with subtraction. So here I've rounded to the nearest 1000. So my estimated answer is approximately 7,000. And then I use column subtraction to solve. Sometimes it can help to round to the nearest 1000 and the nearest 100 to get a more accurate estimate. So in this example, I've rounded to 6,000 plus 1,500 to give me an estimated answer of 7,500. Then I use column addition to solve to get the actual answer. Inverse operations can also help me to check my working out. So inverse means opposite. Addition is the opposite of subtraction, and multiplication is the opposite of division. Here I'm calculating 869 take away 252, and then I can use the inverse, which is addition, to solve, and there are two different ways of doing this. I can do the same with addition, so I add to solve, and then I use the inverse subtraction to check my working out, and there are two different ways of doing this again. Pronouns replace nouns in a sentence and they can help us to avoid repetition. So here I've used the noun Tommy a few too many times, so I'm going to use some pronouns to help avoid the repetition. The passage has now been improved. Tommy was famished. He went to make a sandwich because his tummy was grumbling noisily. As he ate the delicious, scrumptious snack, Tommy felt much better. Also think about what other word types you can add to improve your writing too. Prefixes can be added to a root word and they can change the meaning. Here, these prefixes change the word to its opposite meaning, or they give it a negative meaning. So understood becomes misunderstood, like becomes dislike, certain becomes uncertain, and active becomes inactive. Look at this picture and read through the questions. What could the answers be? Write a story for these characters. And here's some websites to help you with your work.